I'm going to show you how to check deleted messages on Snapchat. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your Snapchat first. And once you're in the Snapchat, make sure that you're in your profile like this. And once you're here, just look at the top right corner where you can see a gear icon. Make sure you tap there. And now scroll all the way down till you find My Data. So it is right over here. Tap here again. And now you need to log in. Tap on Next. And just write down your password. Tap on Next again. So once you've logged in here, you can simply choose to download your chat history. And when you download your chat history, your deleted messages would also be downloaded. So make sure you have selected chat history. And if there's something else you want to download too, you can also do that and tap on Next. So you can also choose to export data from a specific date range. So just choose that and tap on Submit. And in this way, you would be able to check deleted messages in Snapchat.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.